travel is a powerful force. But before we can experience the wonders of a new culture, we must first navigate a modern-day labyrinth, the airport. For many, the journey begins not with a sense of adventure, but with a wave of anxiety. Understanding the system is the key to transforming a stressful ordeal into a smooth and even enjoyable process. The first major hurdle at any airport is the check-in and bag drop counter. The single most effective strategy to bypass this is to check in online. Airlines open their online check-in 24 hours before departure. If you're traveling with only a carry-on bag, checking in online means you can often walk straight to the security checkpoint, completely skipping the long, winding check-in queue. The security screening process is another major source of stress and delay. Preparation is everything here. As you approach the line, start getting ready. Take your laptop and any large electronics out of your bag. A pro tip for choosing a security line: look at the people in the queue, not just the length of it. Veer to the leftmost line. Studies show that most right-handed people instinctively choose the line on the right. The debate between checking a bag and traveling with only a carry-on is a classic traveler's dilemma. My philosophy is simple: if you can manage it, go with a carry-on. This single choice eliminates two of the biggest time wasters. You skip the check-in queues and avoid the agonizing wait at the baggage carousel. Packing light is a skill that requires discipline. Roll your clothes tightly instead of folding them. This minimizes wrinkles and saves a surprising amount of space. Choose versatile clothing that you can layer and wear in multiple combinations. Pack solid, neutral colors that mix and match easily. Never pack essential items like medication, electronics, or a change of underwear in your checked luggage. Always keep these with you. Make your bag stand out with a brightly colored ribbon. Choosing your seat is one of the few elements of the flying experience that you can directly control. The classic debate is window versus aisle. The window seat offers a great view and a wall to lean against for sleeping, but it means you have to disturb your neighbors every time you need to use the restroom. For travelers who prioritize a speedy exit, the best seats are always as close to the front of the aircraft as possible. An aisle seat in a forward cabin row will allow you to deplane minutes before those sitting in the back. Many travelers use websites like Seat Guru to make informed decisions. These sites provide detailed seating maps with a color-coded system to highlight the best and worst seats on the plane. Flight delays and long layovers are an inevitable part of travel. While you can't always avoid them, you can change your mindset and strategy for dealing with them. This is where having access to an airport lounge can be a game changer. Many credit cards now offer lounge access as a perk. Inside a lounge, you'll find a quiet, comfortable space with complimentary food and drinks, clean restrooms, and reliable Wi-Fi. During a long delay, this is an oasis. The airline's mobile app is your best friend. It provides more up-to-date information than gate agents. While everyone rushes to form a massive line at customer service, get on the phone with the airline's customer service number. In the often impersonal environment of an airport, a little bit of human connection can go a surprisingly long way. The airline staff are dealing with a high-stress environment all day long. They handle tight schedules, technical problems, and hundreds of anxious passengers. A simple smile, a polite hello, and a bit of patience can make you stand out in the best possible way. These employees have discretionary power, and they're more likely to help someone who treats them with respect. Being a good passenger means being considerate of the crew and your fellow travelers. Travel is a communal experience, and courtesy makes the journey better for everyone. Traveling well is a skill, and like any skill, it improves with practice and knowledge. The airport doesn't have to be a source of dread. By adopting a few smart strategies, you can transform it from a stressful gauntlet into a smooth and efficient part of your adventure. Let's recap. Always check in online 24 hours in advance. Travel with only a carry-on if possible. Be prepared at security. Use tools like Seat Guru to pick the best seat. Travel with awareness, preparation, and grace. When you do, you'll find that the world opens up to you a little more easily, starting from the moment you step into the airport. Happy travels.